In this chapter, we would like to show you how to set up the Fabius. First, we check the supply connections. Connect the pipeline hoses for oxygen, nitrous oxide and medical air to the outlets on the rear side of the machine. Plug the hoses into the relevant outlets in the wall. Check gas line pressures on the gauges located on the front of the Fabius. The indicator should be within the green zone. Place the full cylinder in the cylinder holder and secure it in position. Screw the pressure regulator onto the cylinder valve. Screw the compressed gas hose to the pressure regulator and to the connection of the gas inlet block. Open the cylinder valve and check the pressure on the pressure reducer. Close the cylinder valve. For preparation of the breathing system, make sure that all parts are present. Fit the compact breathing system onto the mount, located on the mounting arm. Connect the fresh gas hose from the Fabius to the compact breathing system. Attach the ventilator hose to the ventilator and to the conical connector port on the underside of the cozy. Make sure that the water trap is at the lowest point of the connection. To insert the flow sensor, unscrew and remove the expiratory port from the breathing system. Insert the flow sensor and reinstall the expiratory port. Connect the patient breathing hoses and the manual breathing bag to the inspiratory, expiratory and bag hose ports on the cozy. All filters that will be used during operation should be installed as well, in order to include them into the self-test. In this case, we will use a filter on the Y-piece for demonstration. Place the filter on the park position on the back port of the cozy. Push the oxygen sensor into the opening of the inspiratory port. Plug the control hoses into the connection port on the PEEP PMAX valve and APL bypass valve. Connect the volume line cable and press the pressure measuring line onto the corresponding connector on the underside of the breathing system. Do not squeeze the pressure measuring line during installation. Place the cozy heater connection on the port on the underside of the breathing system. Install the soda lime canister. Fit the cables into the cable channels at the side and rear panel of the Fabius. Make sure that all measuring lines and sensors are securely fitted on their corresponding ports on the connector panel. For the assembly of the anesthetic gas scavenging system, hook the receiving system into place on the rear side of the Fabius. Connect the scavenging hose from the receiving system to the central disposal system. Then connect the transfer hose between the breathing system and the receiving unit. To check correct operation of the waste gas disposal system, the float indicator in the flow tube should stay between the upper and lower marks. Push the power plug into the supply main socket. Switch on the machine by using the on-off switch on the rear of the machine. Install the vaporizer onto the mount of the Fabius Plus XL.